The crypto and blockchain world is changing right in front of our very eyes. There's a reason why projects like Avalanche, Cardano, and Polkadot are destroying the markets right now. With each passing day, the flaws of Ethereum come more to the surface. It's creating a high level of speculation when it comes to the next Ethereum killer, as they say. But nothing will kill Ethereum. The Bitcoin maxis have been trying that for years. The rise in popularity of Ethereum, ironically, is opening up the floodgates for other smart contract platforms and ecosystems to gain traction. Today, I'm going to explain to you how this came to be and why Polkadot is going to take the entire crypto space to a new level. And then I'm going to give you a dot price prediction. Let's get it. BitSwap is the hottest new way to trade tokens. Crawling all the top decentralized exchanges, BitSwap gets you the very best price and value for your trades. BitSwap is changing the game. Try it now at bitswapdex.io. Welcome to BitBoy Crypto, the #1 channel in all of the interwebs. My name is Ben. Every day on this channel, I show you how to make money in cryptocurrency. If you like money in crypto, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're a fan of Polkadot, then make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. This helps our video overlords know that people enjoy Polkadot content. In this video, we're going to be looking at Polkadot, and I'm going to explain to you how it is changing the game and why it's got so much potential. Then we'll be diving into a 2021 Polkadot price prediction. I know you guys have been waiting on it. But first, we have to look at how the crypto world is changing. You can't talk smart contracts and decentralized ecosystems without first talking about Ethereum, because that's where it all started. And actually, kind of where Polkadot started as well. If you're unaware, the founder of Polkadot, the good Dr. Gavin Wood, was also one of the co-founders of Ethereum. Like Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson, he left Ethereum and the foundation to create his own project that solved many of the issues that were bubbling up with Ethereum. You know the drill: speed, congestion, high gas fees, scalability, etc. Hoskinson and Wood were both able to launch projects with these problems already solved for. So while Ethereum is far and away the first mover in the space, Cardano and Polkadot are playing the tortoise to Ethereum's hair, methodically and strategically positioning themselves to compete when the time is right. We're moving very close to this time. For years, so many projects have been dubbed the Ethereum Killer. Neo was the first to wear the crown, and we see how it worked out. EOS, Tron, IOST, Tezos, and many others fallen in line. None have knocked ETH off. Here's why. Ethereum won't get knocked off. It's too strong and too powerful right now, even with all of its flaws. If DOT or ADA eventually pass Ethereum, they aren't going to necessarily knock it out. Ethereum has the largest developer pool right now, and it isn't going anywhere. There's something, though, that we are seeing happen right in front of our eyes. It's a beautiful thing to watch. For years, Ethereum has had zero competitors. Many have tried, but it's never felt like they were truly challenged. You think the ETH community was threatened by Tron? At one time, I felt like Tron could challenge it. I was way wrong, and the true people under the hood in the ETH community laughed at me for thinking that it could. One of my all-time favorite video games is Mike Tyson's Punch-Out! As a kid, I loved that game, even as an adult still. I remember playing it all the time, and Mike Tyson was so hard to beat. Why? Because in real life, no one had ever even beaten him. Mike Tyson at his peak was so much better than every other boxer out there that it was basically a torture exercise to pick his next opponent. The guy across the ring from Mike Tyson never had a chance. Now, the reverberating effects of this were huge. Mike Tyson, the greatest boxer of all time in my opinion, at least the most dominant and fierce, took his eyes off the prize. He stopped focusing. He didn't train as hard because he knew he had no competition. Then one day, Buster Douglas showed up, knocked him the out. Greatest upset in sports history. You see, when there's no competition, people and companies get lazy. Look at Blockbuster, for instance. Ethereum having these upcoming rivals is a great thing for the entire crypto space. It lifts it up. The business and financial sectors are waking up to the possibilities with blockchain. Ethereum's leading the way here. But this is giving rise to new opportunities for decentralization and integration. There's an almost endless amount of opportunities for Ethereum, Cardano, and Polkadot. It's not about which one of these projects wins. They all win. They're all going to eat away at traditional business models. So let's take a look now at how Polkadot specifically is going to get their piece of the proverbial pie. Contrary to popular belief, proverbial pie is only second to pecan pie in the pie hierarchy. But to summarize what Polkadot is, it's a multi-chain interchange with what we call parachains. No, this is not the new rebrand for ATL Wrapper 2 chains. It's different. Parachains are basically sidechains that can be customized to be interoperable with other public blockchains. While Ethereum tokens get built on top of the Ethereum code, you can think of Polkadot as an ecosystem where each token built in it connects to the Polkadot chain. This is why new Polkadot IDOs, or initial DOT offerings, are about to be the hottest thing in crypto. We will be covering some of these IDOs soon, so make sure to subscribe so you get the latest info on these new projects as they come out. There are going to be so many good ones. There already have been. In addition to the parachain's infrastructure, the other thing that kind of defines Polkadot is its backwards compatibility to Ethereum. Polkadot adapts to the current Ethereum network, but Ethereum doesn't adapt to the Polkadot network. You can kind of think of it like this. On Uniswap, you can currently exchange Ethereum tokens for one another. You can't exchange an Ethereum token for a Polkadot token directly on an Ethereum decentralized exchange like Uniswap or BitSwap. But you can exchange a Polkadot token for an Ethereum token on Polkadot dexes like Polkaswap when it fully launches. Trying to explain how to use a decentralized exchange to someone newer to crypto is difficult enough by itself. I just did it last night. But then trying to explain to them how they can only exchange ERC20 tokens on Uniswap or BitSwap leaves them scratching their heads. They don't even know what that means. So the point is, while Uniswap's been crushing it the last year, why would you use Uniswap if a DEX existed to where you could trade all coins, including Bitcoin, without the need for wrapped tokens like wrapped BTC? In short, you wouldn't. There'd be no reason to. And I can tell you this, one of the top questions that I get asked all the time is which exchange out there exists where people can get access to every coin. In short, it doesn't exist, at least yet. You're handcuffed by ERC20s or other ERC token standards on Uniswap and by whatever coins are listed on American exchanges like Coinbase or Binance US. Polkadot could change that, and investors around the world are taking notice of the insane potential of DOT's ecosystem. That's one reason why DOT has absolutely pumped over the last month and a half. When you look at its numbers, wow. As DOT was crushing all-time highs, it also was announced that an index fund in Switzerland was launching on a stock exchange. Think Grayscale Trust for Polkadot, but just from a different company. One of the biggest opportunities, of course, for Polkadot is in the world of DeFi, which is where Ethereum shined brightest amid its flaws. Last summer was insane, and so many killer projects launched and pumped in DeFi. But now, even some of the biggest DeFi winners are starting to investigate the prospects of a multi-chain interoperable ecosystem like DOT. One of those projects is Curve. Equilibrium, a market maker company, is going to be building cross-chain integration to Polkadot. And I doubt that Curve is the only or the last project that will be branching out to the new ecosystem. Part of the huge DeFi run over the summer was the ease at which new finance projects were launched via Uniswap. We could be getting ready to see the same thing for Polkadot and its IDOs. A DOT DeFi explosion sounds good to me. But how much can the cost of the Polkadot coin actually increase? DOT's up 200% over the last 30 days, but here's the thing. Polkadot started out with a much bigger launch than other projects. It debuted in the top 10. It's a pretty hefty accomplishment. Way more than Gavin Wood's barber could ever hope to achieve. In my opinion, this still gives DOT a pretty high ceiling. But eventually, it could run into some problems due to the fact that many investors will look at it as not having as high potential as lower-ranked projects with smaller caps. Now, I believe from here, DOT can see a 13x by the end of 2021, giving it a price of $326 per DOT. Expensive little tittles. But that would give DOT about a $300 billion market cap. What do you think? Where do you believe Polkadot can go from here? Also, do you know what a tittle is? Drop your comments down below. Also, smash the like button if you want more Polkadot. That's all I got. Be blessed. BitBoy out.